Hi everyone, it's your girl Mariter here with Scrap Dog Media once again. I have an amazing video you all have been waiting for. But first, I need to ask a huge favor. I need you to take a moment to click that subscribe button for me. Getting subscribers is very hard for a new channel. But I promise you I will always work hard to bring you the best videos I possibly can. So in return, please go ahead and click subscribe now. Thank you. Cambodia, known for its ancient temples, vibrant cities, and rich history, is also home to incredible, strong, and unique women. Today, we're diving deep into the lives of Cambodian women, what makes them unique, how they spend their days, and why they've captured the interest of many Western men. Cambodia's culture is deeply rooted in family, community, and tradition. Cambodian women are often known for their strong family values and dedication. In many cases, they are raised in close-knit families where respect for elders and prioritizing family are ingrained from an early age. Cambodian women learn early about the importance of hospitality, kindness, and respect. Family gatherings, celebrations, and taking care of each other play major roles in their lives. You'll find them to be both traditional and modern, balancing their cultural heritage with an openness to new ideas. What are Cambodian women really like? Many Cambodian women are known for their soft-spoken, warm personalities and a deep sense of loyalty. They often have a quieter, more reserved nature compared to women from other parts of Southeast Asia, but they're just as fun-loving and open-hearted. Most Cambodian women are incredibly resilient, especially considering the difficult history that the country has experienced. That resilience and adaptability have helped them build strong character, and it's something that really shines through in their daily lives. So what does daily life look like for Cambodian women? A lot depends on where they live. In urban areas like Phnom Penh, you'll find many women working in professional jobs, from the tourism industry to retail, fashion, or even tech and business. In rural areas, their daily routines are often more traditional, revolving around agriculture, family responsibilities, or small businesses. No matter where they are, Cambodian women are incredibly hardworking. They often contribute significantly to their households and communities. Many manage multiple roles, balancing work, family, and social obligations, which makes them resourceful and industrious. Now, what do Cambodian women do for fun? Like anywhere else in the world, they enjoy relaxing and socializing. In cities, you'll see young women exploring cafes, shopping, and going out with friends. Cambodian women love music, dancing, and fashion, and karaoke is extremely popular. An evening singing with friends is a common way to unwind. In rural areas, free time may look a bit different. It often revolves around community gatherings, traditional music, or games. They love spending time with their families, cooking traditional dishes, or even enjoying a peaceful moment at a local temple. Over recent years, more Western men have become interested in Cambodian women. Why is that? It could be a combination of cultural appeal and the values Cambodian women hold. Many Western men are drawn to the kindness, loyalty, and warmth that Cambodian women often show. Their traditional values around family and relationships are often refreshing for men who may be seeking a deeper connection. Western men are also often attracted to the sense of dedication Cambodian women have to their partners and families. They bring a strong commitment to building a lasting relationship, which can make them ideal partners for men seeking stability and trust. Of course, no culture is without its challenges and complexities. For Western men interested in dating or building a relationship with Cambodian women, understanding cultural differences is crucial. Language barriers, different perspectives on family, or even societal expectations can be potential hurdles. There's also a misconception that Cambodian women are solely looking for financial support. While some may seek security, just like anyone else, many Cambodian women are simply looking for a genuine, equal partnership. Misunderstandings arise when people approach relationships with assumptions instead of understanding. Cambodia has a nightlife scene that offers a little bit of everything, from casual bars and night markets to more lively clubs and entertainment venues. Phnom Penh and Siem Reap in particular are popular destinations for nightlife, attracting locals, tourists, and expats alike. Bars, nightclubs, and music lounges can be a fun way to meet new people, relax, and enjoy the vibrant side of Cambodian culture. One unique aspect of Cambodian nightlife involves the presence of bar girls, women who work in bars, often entertaining patrons with conversation, games, and sometimes companionship. Many of these women come from rural areas, and working in nightlife is a way for them to earn money and support their families. However, their lives can be challenging as many face social stigma and financial pressures. While bar girls are sometimes open to relationships with foreigners, it's important to understand the context. Many are simply doing their jobs, and while some might be open to romance, others might have different motives or be dealing with tough personal circumstances. So it's crucial for any foreigner to approach these connections with respect and awareness. Cambodia also has a hidden side when it comes to nightlife. While brothels are officially illegal, some underground establishments do operate mostly out of sight. Visitors should be cautious if they come across this side of Cambodia, as it often involves complex legal and ethical issues, and exploitation can be a reality for many involved. While Cambodia's nightlife can be an exciting part of the culture, it's essential to approach it responsibly, whether visiting a bar, meeting new people, or exploring the nightlife scene. Being respectful and mindful of the local context is key to a positive experience. In the end, Cambodian women bring a unique blend of resilience, warmth, and tradition to their lives and relationships. Whether you're interested in friendship, romance, or just learning more about Cambodia, taking the time to understand their culture and values is the key to truly appreciating these incredible women. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this insight into Cambodian women's lives, hit that like button, subscribe, and stay tuned for more content about cultures, traditions, and relationships around the world. Let us know in the comments what you think, or if there's a culture you'd like to learn more about next.